Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you the F2L method. Once we have the white cross, we move on to solving the first two layers, also known as F2L. This step involves pairing up corner and edge pieces that belong together, placing them into their correct slots in the bottom two layers. The great thing about F2L is, once you got the hang of it, it can save you a lot of time compared to solving the first two layers one piece at a time. While there are advanced algorithms to speed this up, I will show you a simple beginner-friendly method that you can build on as you improve. First, let's break it down. For F2L, we will focus on two things. First, finding a corner piece in the top layer with white on it. Second, finding the matching edge piece, the piece that shares two colors with the corner. So, for example, if you find a corner piece with white, red, and green, look for the edge piece with red and green. These two pieces will be paired and inserted together into the red and green slot in the bottom two layers. To start, locate white corner piece that is in the bottom layer, but not in the correct slot. Use simple moves like RU R prime or UR U prime to bring it to the top layer. Once it's on the top, make sure the white sticker is facing up or to this side. Now that you have identified the corner piece and its matching edge, you will need to align them. Position the edge directly under where the corner is located. There are two cases. First, the edge piece is already in the top layer. Use simple U and U prime moves to align it with the corner piece. Second, the edge piece is in the middle layer. Use moves like RUR or URU prime to bring the edge into the top layer, then align it with the corner. This step might be a little tricky, but with practice it gets easier. Once both the corner and edge piece are on the top layer, you will encounter different cases. Each case has a specific algorithm to solve it. Let's go through them one by one. The white side of the corner faces up. We will divide this into two parts based on the color alignment. Part 1. If the corner side color is different from the top edge color. This is orange and this is green. So it's different. So to solve this case, do the following algorithm. U R U2 R prime U R U prime R prime. And now we have solved the first corner. Second case. In this case, the edge piece is to the left of the corner piece. To solve this case, do the following algorithm. U2 R U R prime U R U prime R prime. Now we have solved this case. Part 2. If the corner side color matches the top edge color. And we will also have two cases. The first case is when the edge piece is in the front of the corner piece. And the second case is when the edge piece is to the left of the corner piece. To solve this case, do the following algorithm: U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U, R. So, to solve the second case, do the following algorithm: U prime, rotate the cube, R prime, U2, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, and now we've solved this case. If the right side of the corner faces left, we will also divide these into two parts. First part is when the top corner color is not the same as the top edge piece color. And in every part we will also have two cases. So the first case of the part 1 is this one. To do this case, do the following algorithm: rotate the cube, L prime, U prime, L. Now, the second case of the part 1 is this one. To do this case, do the following algorithm: U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U, and then rotate the cube, L prime, U prime, L. The first case of the part 2 is this one. To solve this case, do the following algorithm: U prime, R, U, R prime, U2, R, U prime, R prime. The second case of the part 2 is this one. To solve this case, do the following algorithm: U prime, R, U2, R prime, U2, R, U prime, R prime. Now the last 4 algorithms, and we will also divide those into two parts. In those 4 cases, the right side of the corner faces right. The first case of the part 1 is this one. To solve this case, do the following algorithm: R, U, R prime. The second case of the first part is this one. To solve this case, do the following algorithm: U prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime. The first case of the second part. To solve this case, do the following algorithm: small r, U2, R2, U, R2, small r prime. The second case of the second part. To do this case, do the following algorithm: U prime, small r, U prime, R prime, U, R, U, and then small r prime. If the corner and edge are wrongly paired, we will need to unpair them without breaking other pairs. If the edge is to the left of the corner, hold the cube with the edge on your left and do U, L prime, U, L. If the edge is to the right of the corner, do the following algorithm: U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U. And we have here an easy insert. So just insert it. So this was everything about the easy F2L. To make this easier for you, I will show specific algorithm and visual examples on screen. Additionally, I will link a full F2L PDF guide in the comments. By the time you finish F2L, you will have the first 2 layers of the cube completely solved, and you will be ready to move on the last layer. Take your time practicing F2L. It's one of the most important steps in the CFOP method, and mastering it will make you a much faster solver. So, goodbye.